Okay, this is... You know how hard it is to kill one of these regenerators? This is an easy way to do it. Chicago Typewriter makes it a lot easier. Even if it is the Iron Maiden, even when you fight the Iron Maiden later on, it is like hella easy. You can defeat that Iron Maiden in a few seconds. That's how fast a Chicago Typewriter can beat it. Now this is the rocket launcher against one of these people. One shot kill as usual. Rocket launcher can kill anything in one shot, unless it's like a two-time boss where you have to shoot in two spots to kill it. Which is only the area bosses. La da 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 da. So we'll go in here, use card. Just participate or I'm just gonna kill 3 of those bastards. 2 with the Chicago Typewriter, 1 and 2 with the rocket launcher. This is the last kill with the Chicago Typewriter. I'm sure of it. Easy as shit. Probably just like the one in Resident Evil 0. And this is the rocket launcher kill as everyone likes. And there's no infrared craft in this don't use the infrared craft. Just need to use a rocket launcher, or a Chicago Typewriter, or the hand cannon as I've been told. This is Sayonara,